Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to enable leech protection in cPanel. As usual, log into your cPanel account and search for the security section. You will easily find a leech protection icon. Click it to open. On this new screen, you can see tons of directories to secure. You can enable leech protection for any of the directories. For now, it's better to choose the public HTML directory, because all of your website's data is available in this directory. If you have an FTP account, make sure you protect it. Click a folder's icon or name to navigate the file system. To select the folder public HTML, click Edit. This is the page where you must fill out all the information about enabling leech protection for your public HTML directory. Once done, click on the Enable button. On this page, you can see the notification, Leech Protection Enabled, with the details you have filled out on the previous page. Congrats, you have successfully enabled leech protection for your public HTML directory. Depending on your choice and the sensitive data you store, you should secure other directories, too.